Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Sentra transmission fluid. First, gather your tools like a drain pan, a wrench, and the correct new transmission fluid. Make sure your Sentra is on a level surface and safely supported. Always check your owner's manual for the specific fluid type and capacity needed for your model. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful fluid change. Now let's drain the old fluid. Find the transmission drain plug, which is typically on the bottom of the transmission pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it to collect the used fluid. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old transmission fluid to drain completely. This step is crucial for removing contaminants and preparing for the fresh fluid. Once the old fluid has fully drained, clean the drain plug and reinstall it, ensuring it's tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, locate the transmission fill tube, usually found near the engine's firewall or the transmission dipstick. Using a clean funnel, slowly pour in the new specified transmission fluid. Take your time to avoid spills and ensure proper filling. With the new fluid added, start your Nissan Sentra's engine and let it run for a few minutes to warm up. Then, carefully shift through all the gears, pausing for a few seconds in each one. Finally, with the engine running and on a level surface, check the transmission fluid level using the dipstick. Add more fluid if necessary to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.